In today's video tutorial, I will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the new adware that is called CommonValue. CommonValue is the adware belonging to the adload family of adware type infections. This particular adware, once installed, may periodically display quite intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this CommonValue adware was somehow installed to your system, of course the only correct conclusion is to get rid of this adware. What you need to do is to go to your Finder on your Mac, check your applications, then locate this CommonValue, right click on it and move it to the trash. In case you find anything else that is suspicious, remove it too. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner that you may obtain on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and start researching the system in order to detect and remove other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.